Narrator, casual, energetic. Smartphones change faster than your college crush, but your bank balance? Still stuck in 2022. If you've got a phone, Wi-Fi, and no cash or skills, these zero-money side hustles can actually get you paid in 2025. Let's go! Receipt hustle number 1. Online note-taking with Studocu or NexusNotes. Upload your class notes to sites where students actually pay to download them. No writing needed, just clean, readable notes. Pushpin standout. A+ students can earn over $100 month just uploading what they already wrote. Mobile phone hustle number 2. TikTok Clips Editor, free app-based. Use CapCut templates plus viral trends to make short clips for creators. No editing skills needed, just copy, paste, and vibe. Pushpin standout. Some editors earn $10 per reel, and you only need your phone. Speech balloon hustle number 3. Comment reply freelancer, Reddit, YouTube. Brands pay to boost engagement. You reply to comments, they pay you. Use platforms like TaskRabbit or Upwork. Pushpin standout. Super easy and low effort, perfect for introverts or night owls. Camera with flash hustle number 4. Product photography for Facebook sellers. Snap clean pics of stuff for online sellers using just portrait mode. No DSLR, no lighting setup, just sunlight and a clean background. Pushpin standout. You can charge $5 to $15 per item photo set. Brain hustle number 5. AI prompt writer, ChatGPT and Midjourney. People are paying for well-written prompts that generate cool results. You don't need to be a coder, just creative. Pushpin standout. Zero startup cost. Use ChatGPT itself to learn what sells. No cash, no problem. These 5 side hustles are perfect if you're broke and bored. Now you tell me. Backhand index pointing right, which one are you trying first? Drop it in the comments, and if you want part 2, smash that like.